Hey guys, I'm out here today with a rifle that some of you might not be familiar with. I know I sure wasn't, but I'm hoping it might turn out to be a little bit of a sleeper hit. This is the ATA Turqua. ATA is a Turkish company. Turkish firearms are generally known for punching way above their price point, particularly their shotguns. I think this is one of their first forays into the rifle market, and I'm hoping it carries that same value for the money. This comes with a 1 MOA guarantee out of the box with premium ammo, of course. So we're gonna go put a few groups on paper and see if it can live up to that. All right. First, as you can see, these rifles are pretty gorgeous. I love the walnut stock. Uh, I wouldn't say it's quite CZ quality, but man, it's definitely up there. It's just got a really nice look to it overall. A nice stainless bolt. So it's definitely a winner there. Features wise, it's also really impressive. It comes with a set of fiber optic iron sights that are really usable. It comes with a stock with a Picatinny rail, detachable box magazine. It comes with two, one 3-round and one 5-round. The mags aren't bad quality either. I'll show you here. Quality seems okay. The fact that you get two of them is really nice. It comes with some other things in the box. It comes with a little gun sock and some tools and some sling mounts and stuff. Some length of pull spacers, I believe. Just a nice package overall. The trigger is really nice. It's 2-stage, a little bit of take up there before it breaks. You can adjust it really low. I think 1.5 pounds. I'll have to double check on that. But it's a beautiful trigger for a hunting rifle. I gotta say, I'm really impressed. This particular model was in 6.5 Creedmoor. The bolt itself is really smooth. It's not quite Tikka smooth, but it's definitely pretty close. Nothing to complain about there. So all in all, really nice little rifle. The best thing about it though is the price. This one, I managed to get it on sale. I don't know what the regular MSRP on them is in different markets, but this one was on sale for $550 Canadian. So 550 bucks Canadian, you're getting some incredible features. Normally you'd pay that for like a bog standard Savage Axis, you know, with a crappy plastic stock. But in this case, you're getting really beautiful walnut stock, some iron sights, 2 mags, really smooth bolt, great trigger. Really an awesome package for that money. I mean, I don't think you can beat that. If you're paying full price, I don't know how it really compares. You'd probably be into some more expensive options. But even at a few $100s more, I would say you're still getting some great features. Like the Picatinny rail out of the box is really nice. So for testing purposes today, we have a budget-friendly SIG Buckmaster scope on there at 3-12 magnification. It's a nice little scope for the money, good hunting scope. You know, it's not a target rig by any means, but I'm pretty happy with it. And for ammo, these are my hand loads in 6.5 Creedmoor, Federal Brass, Hornady bullet, Varget powder. This has been a good all-around load for me. So we're going to put that through and hopefully it'll perform. All right. see how we did. So on the bottom here, that's the first group I shot. That's a nice one. I'd say that's easily under 1 MOA. Really nice group, really happy with that. And the second group I shot, still a good group, but it seemed to open up a little bit. I would say probably the barrel was starting to heat up. I tried to let it cool a bit between strings of shots, but it's a pretty hot day out here, so I might not have left it to cool long enough, because over here my third group opened up even more. I mean, it's still, you know, it's not vertically stringing or anything, but it's just opening up all around. So I'd say that's probably what's going on. In the future, I'd definitely let it cool for longer. It's not a real heavy profile barrel, but overall, I would definitely say the 1 MOA guarantee is pretty accurate. Well guys, I hope that helps. I can say I'm definitely really happy with my purchase. Looking forward to putting a few rounds through it, tuning some hand loads for it. I think this one's a keeper. Anyway, thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you next time.